Hello friends, welcome to Sana's Kitchen. Myself Ritvika. Today I'm going to make very easy and tasty mango pudding. Into a blender add in 1 mango chopped. Blend it to a smooth paste. Transfer it to a bowl and set aside. Into a pan add 1 glass of water. Also add in 7 grams of china grass or gelatin. Cook it in very low flame and keep stirring until the china grass gets dissolved in water. China grass has dissolved completely. Now turn off the flame and set aside. Into another pan add 1.5 glass of milk. Now turn on the flame. Add in 6 teaspoons of sugar. Keep stirring until the sugar dissolves completely. No need to boil the milk. Sugar has dissolved completely. Now turn off the flame. Into the milk add in dissolved china grass, prepared mango paste. Using a whisk, mix well until everything gets combined. Transfer the pudding mixture onto the strainer to remove any lumps from it. Mango pudding mixture is ready. Pour the pudding mixture into the small glasses. Refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours. Mango pudding is ready. Do give this recipe a try. If you like the recipe, then subscribe to our channel Sana's Kitchen. Thank you.